welcome to Phonics today. Today we are going to do long and short vowel spelling. So you'll need a piece of paper and a pencil to do that. We're going to learn a new special sound, and then we're going to review our old special sounds. So those are our three things that we're going to do for Phonics today. So go ahead and get a piece of paper and a pencil and get ready. Okay, the way I'm going to do this is I am going to say the word, and then you can pause the video and write the word, and then when you unpause the video, it will pop up how to spell it, so you can check yourself and make sure that you spelt it correctly. Remember, you're in kindergarten, so if you did not spell it correctly, that's okay. You're learning. At least you're trying, right? Okay. All right. Your first word is Kim. My neighbor is Kim. Your next word is lake. Lake. I like to go to the lake. Fun. Fun. I will have fun at the party. Sand. Sand. I will play in the sand. Pie. Pie. I like to eat pie. Will. Will you go to the store? Will. All right, good job, kindergarten. Remember, long vowels have two vowels, so if it was a long vowel, you have to make sure you have two vowels. All right, our new special sound for today is R. R, 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 as in stars. AR makes it really important that we circle our special sounds before we mark our vowels. Because if we would mark our vowels before we do our special sounds, we would read it like this: st-ars, st-ars, st-ars. That's why we always think about special sounds and then vowels. So then we go R, st, R's, stars. Arm, farm. Ark, arc. Arv, carve. Arm, arm. Barn, barn. Charm. Good job. Let's look at that and circle some sounds. Alrighty. Ooh, a little wiggly today. Here is our special sounds. Let's go ahead and start. You can pause the video and write these down so you can check them with me. All right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and start over here. We're going to circle our special sounds first. R, R, car. Circle our special sound. Farm. Circle our special sound. Art, art. Down here, look, we have two special sounds. St, R, st, art, start. Circle our special sounds. Ark, bark. And then over here, we're going to circle our special sounds. Art, part. Great job. All right, for our special sounds, for our other special sounds, I'm going to just show you a little chart out of one of the books I have. And I would like you to pause the video and read some of those words. So we are going to go over here to the blue chart. And go ahead and pause the video and review those sounds. I want you to do it by yourself. I don't want you to have me doing it. So go ahead and review those sounds by yourself. All right, kindergarten, great job today. We'll talk to you later. Bye.